Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Today, guys, we are going to take you on a journey, step by step, how we made this curried saltfish fritters. And this one is courtesy of MTC Creative Kitchen. Guys, if you have not yet connected with him, go over and connect with. Let's jump straight into the video. So today we are going to do some saltfish curried fritters, and this is courtesy of MTC. No, I was knocking at his door. I may never get the saltfish fritters, so I decided to make my own this morning. So here we have some flour. Of course, we need the flour. We have saltfish, we have scallion and onion. No, I don't have any Scotch bonnet pepper. Unfortunately, curry powder is important. I'm also going to put a little fish seasoning in, and our black pepper and water, of course. Over here we have placed our oil, just a small amount of oil, and the flames is down, so by the time we are finished mixing, then it should be ready. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add just a little bit of the seasoning. And you notice I didn't say I had any salt because everything has salt in it. Then I'm going to go in with we're going to mix this around. So I'm going to try MTC's way. I normally put the curry at this time, so I'm going to try the way he did it yesterday. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with these. And notice I'm also using fork as well because he used a fork. So I'm going to try his way. So I'm literally trying not to, I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to make this. Then I noticed what he did was to mix all the batter together like this. So I said the only thing I'm not going to add is the Scotch bonnet pepper. I know it's better to have a little. Then I'm gonna go in with some water. And remember, as usual, you don't want to put too much water in at once because you don't want your mixture to get too watery. So you go in with just a small amount each time. And you mixed everything together nicely, as you see I'm doing here right now. I think it was at this stage I saw we added this black pepper, so I'm gonna go in with it, black pepper. As I said, I would have done this video before, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water because you know you want your batter to be a little watery. So at this juncture, see, so I think this batter is ready. What we're going to add next is the curry, and we know we love, as Jamaican, we love the better pack. May I tell you the truth? If you're not a Jamaican, every Jamaican love better pack. And of course, you don't want to put a whole lot of curry in there, but you want to mix it up. Just put enough to your suit, and you want to mix it around, as you see I'm doing here right now, right? You can go over and check MTC as well. Go over and check MTC Creative Kitchen, right? And support the guy, man. So, going with the curry, look like the color not change. So, I want to add a little bit more. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit more. So, I'm showing you everything step by step. As I said, my pot is on already, my frying pan is on the fire. And just allowing it on low flames, well, kind of medium heat, and we're mixing all of this. So now we're going to put our batter in. You want to make sure everything is in. You want saltfish in there, you want scallion and everything, and we're going to put this into our pan. I'll just have 3 in there. There we go. Let me tell you something, the smell in the kitchen is really amazing. So you know, sometimes it's going to, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip them over, because if you feel them, you realize these are ready to flip over. So I like my saltfish fritters thin. I don't like when they're thick. I like when it's thin. Sometimes a little crispy too. And we allow this side to fry, and then we are almost done. You know, whenever you're cooking, you see these little things in there, you know, you can take it out and taste. You'll have a great idea how it tastes in terms of whether it needs more salt. And just to add that, sometimes what you can actually do, you can actually, when you're making the batter, if it is too, you can actually taste the batter. Take them out. So we're going to put in a second batch, and we're going to give it the same TLC, right? So this is our second batch, and we basically notice it didn't take very long to do. So we're going to allow it to go through the same process as we did before. In case it has too much oil, then I place them on this hand towel or paper towel, you call them, to allow it to soak up some of the oil before serving them up. Second batch look like it's ready, so I'm going to flip them over just like I did in the first. So these look like they're about done, so I'm going to take them out. We'll remove them, and we have the final batch to do. So it wasn't a lot. I might have just 3 of these. Feel they're thin, guys? Look at that. So this is what we have left. This can make maybe just one, see? So we're just gonna put a big one into the pot. So here it is all by itself. But this is a nice big one. I know my son is going to enjoy this one because he loves fritters. And so here is our container, all empty, so you know to use up everything, all the batter, nothing waste. So we're just gonna wash this, and then we're going to plate it and serve it. Here is the finished product of my saltfish fritters, curried saltfish fritters. I'm definitely going to enjoy these, and I know my family will as well. If you like it, you know what to do. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as we dive into it. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you.